There's still a lot to do, and we're not done. Now, this machine right here, for those of us that know anything whatsoever about road construction and everything else, this is a do-all everything machine. A Gradall that does everything. This absolutely is a machine that is so badly needed in our counties and our districts across our state, it's unbelievable. Now the neat thing about this for me is we ordered 10 of them, one for every district. This is the first one to come in, and so I brought it to you, the first one, and I'm really, really happy to be able to have done that. In District 6, right here where we are, we have passed 1,000 miles of potholes and completed 373 miles of unpaved road restoration, and we have fixed 39 slips.